Welcome back. Now that we have all of the content we need on the resume, we're going to go through it and make sure it looks consistent and there's no spelling or grammatical errors. I like to suggest having someone else look at my resume because when you're looking at a document for so long, it's hard to pick out those minor mistakes. So I'm just going to push up her name, which will bring up the entire resume up a little bit to the top. I hyperlinked her LinkedIn and her email. She has her title. Her summary looks good. Going to make this section a little bit smaller. It's not such a big space in between. Make sure that everything is consistent throughout. So same here, making this space a little smaller, making sure that the lines line up correctly. Same for here. We have present tense here and past tense here. And now the formatting here for the dates is different than here. So we can take this out and just stick with the year since that's what we're doing for the current job. If you wanted to she maybe started in September, you put September 2022 to present, and you can keep the months. It's up to you what you think looks best. So I think so far it looks really good. Again, have somebody look at it, make sure they can pick out your relevant work skills, your transferable skills, what you want to showcase to the employer. If they can't pick it out, the employer can't pick it out. So make sure that whatever job you're applying to, your skills on here that you're able to provide match the skills the employer is looking for. Thank you so much for watching. If you need further assistance with your resume, please contact Career Services by using our email address, phone number, or you can schedule through Starfish or schedule through our website. Thank you so much.